and to everybody here at PSSM has been my guru in some or the other way, either the way they are leading life or it is like even through a small wisdoms, what they share, everything. But yeah, you being the mentor to all of us, I really show that deep gratitude to you, sir. And especially my family will be really, really grateful for all the help you're doing to come out of all the issues, whatever currently we are facing. Yeah, Prasad said, yeah, Prasad joined now. Yes, he said he will join and he will show the deep gratitude to you, sir, for helping him and us, everybody in a different way, And I have started doing L1 course, sir, actually in the UK batch, the Jesus batch. I'm doing it. Great wisdom. I don't know how you collected so much knowledge and shared it through that much. Oh my God. I'm like, from where sir got so much wisdom and knowledge? Great sharing, sir, great sharing. And so selflessly you're doing everywhere. It's like um, just path you're showing us how we should make our life more meaningful and beautiful as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for all the knowledge, wisdom, as well as all your selfless service, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. So you understood the value of spiritual tablets. That
Yes.
really makes me more pleasurable and then to walk in this path unconditionally. If
Yes, sir.
someone recognizes the value of wisdom, that is very, very important for me. The
Definitely,
more
sir.
we do that,
Like it's been a light for us now. Like even with Prasad's whatever health or anything going on in our house, I'm able to get like your motto actually be your own doctor, right? Be doctor unto yourself. That's absolutely I can see that. Even for small things I can connect and I can even correct it. Okay, it's because of this I'm facing this instead of and you've created that independence. Like independence means there's no dependency to get the knowledge, that course materials and everything. I really want to know more about how much time you took to collect all that info, from where you did so much work. Oh my God, I can't just think of even, and doing it so selflessly. That's a great attitude and personality, sir. Thank you so much, actually. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Now, Prasad sir,
Yeah,
will
he's
show
there.
his
He's
gratitude.
there. Yes, he's
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
he will express his gratitude by telling 10 energy supports. I don't want to lose
He's
him.
ready, I believe. Yes, he's ready every day. He's telling me. I think he's ready.
He's been.
Camera band.
You're on mute. You're on mute. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, thank you so much for everything. We are so grateful for being part of this journey. Thank you so much. And yes, sir, I'm doing. I am practicing, and we do talk every day. It is not. We are not just mentioning it every day. Whenever we talk, we try to connect uh, to whatever we are learning.
What happened?
You're on mute, Putu.
Sir, sir, I was saying thank you so much for everything. We are every day we are discussing whenever we come through some situation, we try to relate it to whatever we are learning in through our meditation or through your teachings, what we are following.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Next.
Thank you, Prashad ji. And Amrita, you were asking about the course. So, just to let everybody know that at this month end, we are going to launch our level 1 for the whole Pacific Asia belt, and the timing will remain 8 p.m. On Mondays and Wednesdays. So, those have already given their registration. We will inform you via the emails and open the Google Forms again to make the registrations. Thank you. And now, sir, Shivani is here to talk with you. Shivani, go. And we have 15 minutes to try to be like whomsoever. Yeah, please go
Just
on.
just quickly, I did register in the on the forms before when GK
Yeah,
sir.
I know, Namrata. That's what I mentioned. Those have registered. We will let them know as well by the email and open the new forms and circulate it in all the groups.
So, what will be the IST? We are
IST
doing
time,
this
sir, 3:30.
3:30 in the afternoon.
Yes, sir. Now it is 8 p.m. and in the summers it will be 9 p.m. then.
Better we promote it in Malaysia, Singapore.
Sir, everywhere we will do it. Just the flyer. I'm waiting for the flyer to get ready and then we will start.
Okay, okay. That's great.
Yeah.
New Zealand. Everywhere
Yes,
you try
sir.
to make it this way. And even
Okay,
in
Shivani.
Mauritius also some people are ready in the Mauritius because when I visited Mauritius, we have conducted more than 7-8 sessions, and some of the youth even they are interested. So if you
Okay,
give the
I
flyer,
will
we
get
try to
add their
circulate them.
name as well or the
Yeah,
timings as well if they are if it is suitable to them.
yeah, it's all more or less 5 o'clock. We are 1.5 hours ahead, I think. So
Mm-hmm.
it will be okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'll add in the counseling as well. We will add the Mauritius name because the counseling flyers is also ready. So we'll get added that was then as well.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, Shivani, go on.
Yes. First of all, sir, you're looking very handsome today. Happy Guru Purnima. And
Subbasam ji, एक
I,
class करके.
sorry?
Yeah, continue.
Yes, yes. So I just want to say, sir, no matter how many times I say thank you, it's just not enough, you know. I just, I'm just getting emotional saying this. When I was in the hospital and I didn't know how much time I have, you gave me hope.
Yeah.
You said if you're willing to work, you have a beautiful smile, you will live. I just want to say thank you for that hope. And I holded your hand, and it's been 6 months. It's just thank you. That's it. Thanks.
I have to close your tab as soon as possible. That is what I told you. Of
Yes.
course, this tab is different tab, I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for wonderful ones,
You
Shivani.
have to
You are
catch
the
hold
true
of so many
example.
people's hands like me. That is what the real gratitude I feel. There are so many people. Just now I addressed one session there. One lady is almost like she is in a lying down posture, advanced stage. She is totally surrendered to the truth. She is under the pyramid, doing her own research on her body. So, yeah.
Yep.
So,
Thank you, sir.
Masters, today I just came only to say hi and to meet all my gurus who are there in front of me, teaching me every time. By teaching you, I am learning. So you are my gurus. So I just came to greet all of you today.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So anybody else want to come forward? Yes, Anita ji.
Yes, my audio, yeah, it's okay.
Yep.
Yes, yeah. Sir, I wanted to say thanks to you. I just started, Kanchan ji gave me a link and I just started watching the PMC Hindi Spiritual Tablets program. and I'm so impressed that I don't know how much wisdom you have. And I started sharing the few things with my friends also. They are in India, and they are so means they are also very impressed by all this much knowledge and wisdom they are getting, and they can cure themselves. This is the thing, and we are just mm, working on the root cause of the problem, our health problems. This is the things that we feel that we are in control of our disease, and this is a very useful thing we are learning. We are learning a lot. I just wanted to see and learn all the things in one go, though there are so many videos, but one by one I'm watching and learning a lot. Thank you so much, sir, for that. Thank you,
थैंक
Kanchanji
यू
also.
अनीता जी, थैंक यू, ब्यूटीफुल शेयरिंग।
Yeah.
सर मैंने एक पोयम लिखी हुई है, आपके पास टाइम है सुनने का?
Yes, yes.
अभी एनीबडी एल्स वांट टू गो ऑन? मैंने सबसे आखिर के लिए रखा था, अगर टाइम होगा तो ठीक, वरना सर को मैं फोटो खींच के भेजूंगी फिर। सर ये मेरी वो पहली पोयम है, जब तक मैं आपसे शायद पहली बार मिली थी तब लिखी थी मैंने। When I met with you on the first 41 days of my meditation sessions, and it's in Hindi। सफर था जिंदगी का अजीब सा, जो बस चला जा रहा था, चला जा रहा था। सफर था जिंदगी का अजीब सा, जो बस चला जा रहा था, चला जा रहा था। दुख था और सुख भी था, कुछ कमी थी पर संतोष भी था। सब कुछ तो था पर फिर भी मन बेचैन क्यों था। सब कुछ तो था पर फिर भी मन बेचैन क्यों था। जब पूछा सबसे तो दुनिया ने कहा ऐसा ही होता है। जब पूछा सबसे तो दुनिया ने कहा ऐसा ही होता है। सो मान लिया और मन को भी समझा दिया। सो मान लिया और मन को भी समझा दिया। पर एक दिन पर एक दिन पानी कुछ ज्यादा ही हिल गया। पर एक दिन पानी कुछ ज्यादा ही हिल गया, और किनारे खड़े अपने मेंटोर से बात कर बैठा। और किनारे खड़े अपने मेंटोर से बात कर बैठा। किसे पता था कि ये हलचल थी एक नई शुरुआत की। किसे पता था कि ये हलचल थी एक नई शुरुआत की। राह दिखाई गुरु मंजिला ने, और वहां पकड़ ली थी पतरी सर ने। रास्ता ऐसा है कि कदम रुकते ही नहीं। रास्ता ऐसा है कि कदम रुकते ही नहीं, और जी चाहता है बस चली चलूं, चली चलूं, चली चलूं। फिर पल आया जब मन में भाव सेवा का आया। फिर पल आया जब मन में भाव सेवा का आया, और अब मेरी सूत्रधार बनी गुरु सुभद्रा, जिन्होंने मुझे मेरे पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ से मिलवाया। जी के सर के ज्ञान के असीम सागर के बाहर, जी के सर के ज्ञान के असीम सागर के बाहर खड़ी थी इंतजार में कि मेरा नंबर कब आएगा। ये मोमेंट जब थी जब मैंने 41 डेज कंप्लीट नहीं किए थे। आई वॉज अवेयर विद द स्पिरिचुअल टैबलेट्स, और उस टाइम ये कंडीशन थी कि वन शुड हैव टू कंप्लीट देयर 41 डेज साइकिल। तो मैंने तब सुभद्रा जी से बात की थी कि सुभद्रा आई वांटेड टू डू दिस, और उन्होंने सर से बात की कि सर उसके 41 डेज जस्ट कंप्लीट होंगे, कैन वी टेक हर इन। एंड सर ने कहा ले लो। तो ये वो मोमेंट था जो मैंने मेंशन किया। जी के सर के ज्ञान के असीम सागर के बाहर खड़ी थी इंतजार में कि मेरा नंबर कब आएगा। और दोस्तों वो दिन भी आ गया जब मैं हिस्सा बनी थी यूरोप टीम का। तो मैंने अपना जो किया था हिंदी का बैच, वो यूरोप टीम का पहला हिंदी का बैच निकला था, जहां से मैंने अपनी स्पिरिचुअल टैबलेट का लेवल 1 किया था। सर कोटि कोटि नमन है आपको और सारे स्पिरिचुअल टैबलेट परिवार को। कोटि कोटि नमन है आपको और सारे स्पिरिचुअल टैबलेट परिवार को, जिसने दुख दर्द से भी उम्मीद करना सिखा दिया। जिसने दुख दर्द से भी उम्मीद करना सिखा दिया। लर्निंग क्या लेनी है ये भी बता दिया। लर्निंग क्या लेनी है ये भी बता दिया। नया एक संसार होगा जहां दुख से मन डरेगा नहीं। नया एक संसार होगा जहां दुख से मन डरेगा नहीं। पर एक नई समझ के लिए तैयार होगा। आभार, आभार, आभार। Thank you,
So
sir.
nice.
Sincere gratitude to you. Sincere
So
gratitude
nice.
to you and
Very
all
nice.
masters who
Thank
has
Very,
given me this. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
very
Very
nice.
nice, Kanchanji.
Thank you, GK sir.
Mm,
Beautiful, Kanchan.
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. Written
Lovely.
from heart.
Yes.
Yes,
एकदम दिल से
Lovely.
लिखी है, बहुत अच्छी, बहुत अच्छा।
Beautiful.
Lovely.
Yeah, you mentioned everybody, I
Kanchan
think,
बहुत
from the
बड़ा
time you started, right?
yes, that
Yes, it
was
is.
the first, like the जब मैंने 2021 में अपनी जर्नी शुरू की थी तब लिखी थी मैंने, and I
Wow.
found this is the moment now मुझे अब सर के साथ में ये शेयर करनी चाहिए।
So
Mm.
beautiful.
अभी
बहुत
तक शायद
अच्छा।
सर के साथ ही शेयर नहीं की थी मैंने, सबको भेजी थी बट नहीं। थैंक यू
Really
सर।
heartfelt gratitude. Yeah.
थैंक यू सर। सर ये मैंने पर्पसली अपनी पोएम सुनाने के लिए आपको बुलाया था आज। थैंक यू
Yeah.
सर, थैंक यू।
बहुत बड़ा आनंद ब्रह्म रखे है तुम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर।
गुरपिंदर देखिए इतना सारा आनंद ब्रह्म निकल रहे हैं बाहर।
सर वो
हाँ?
मुझे हमेशा डंडा मारती है कि पोयम क्यों नहीं सुनाती तू। आज तो आज मैंने उनको देखा और मैंने अपनी पोयम निकाली बाहर। मैंने कहा आज मैम मुझे फिर डांटेंगी कि तूने फिर से नहीं बोली पोयम। थैंक यू सर, थैंक
मेरा
यू
क्या
मैम, थैंक यू,
Thank you, Kanchan.
थैंक यू ईच वन ऑफ यू।
Shivani, how is your day going today? Full moon day, today and tomorrow. What is your program?
Sir, it was my husband's birthday yesterday, so I celebrated today with puja. It's a Guru
Oh,
Purnima, so I had some puja at home and we celebrated with few friends. So
very good.
yeah,
That's nice.
and with this I also want to say thank you to Gurpinder ma'am. और मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ी गुरु तो मेरी कंचन ही है। Whenever I'm in trouble, I just call her. So thank you, Kanchan, सर से मिलवाने के लिए, मैम से मिलवाने के लिए, and for answering all my questions and just holding hands and walking on this journey with me. Thank you.
To conclude, I want to put a question for all of you. And after taking answer from you, and then I think we will close this session today. So we all say that Brati is Guru, and at the same time, we are surrendering to the Gurus in person or astral or whatever. So these two are very contradictory. If the Brati is Guru, then you are good. There is nothing like Guru Purnima or, asking something or surrendering and all. So how you understand these two different things? As a part of coolie accountant officer concept, the accountant stage is like just surrendering to in-person guru and then doing the things, following the things, almost like surrenderance. That is what usually we see. All Guru Parampara, Shishya Parampara, that is what we see always. But here we are saying the Brati is the Guru. Yeah. Prasad sir, he is raising the hand.
Sir, breath is guru is correct, but how do we know breath is guru until without a in-person guru? With a we don't know. We are in a different world. We were in different world. To reach the guru itself, we need a path. We really need a guru who can hold our hand, bring it to the place. Okay, sit down here, calm down, sit down. You see, here is your guru. That's to show something. We need the guru who can really show us the guru.
True.
And also, sir,
Yeah.
whosoever is teaching, no matter how small or big or whatever, is a guru. So yes, breath is a guru, but whosoever has taught us in any way is a guru.
Yes. Good. So small or big, whatever they're teaching, if they are teaching, they are gurus.
Yes.
And Bhakti is guru. And guru is needed because to the word that he said is absolutely correct. When we are going in a very different world, in a different phase and pace, someone has to stop and has to tell you that, hey, this is not correct. This is right way of
Yes.
living. It starts there. Later on, we will understand that we can find our own answers by looking at our breath. To teach that, at least we need someone to stop and say. Otherwise, we are in our rat race every day.
Yes.
Next, anyone?
Sir, Shivang wants to say a shloka, sir. He's troubling me from that time.
On Guru?
Yes, on Guru.
Yes, yes, I'm Guru, sir.
It is on Guru, I am okay.
Yes, of course, sir. It's Guru Purnima.
Wow.
Okay. This is mainly for
All
GK
Gurus.
sir. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So that means Guru is the Brahma and Vishnu and Shiva. The Guru is the supreme God. I bow to the revered Guru. So GK sir, that all remembers you because you have like I don't know how to explain, but I'm very thankful to you also and to all the PSSM masters for forming this platform and teaching us spirituality, all of the 7 chakras, all of these mentors. But but on the other hand, I'm really thankful to GK sir and everybody who are the senior masters and junior masters of PSSM Australia. Thank you.
Okay.
No.
Good.
It looks like you are the Guru for your both of your parents.
No, sir. Why would I be? They're the boss of me. Until 15, 16 years, I will be okay. But till now, they're my guru.
So
He's
nice.
already said.
To beat you, they have to struggle a lot. They have to learn a lot
Yes.
to balance
No.
you.
They've already learned spirituality. I'm just learning still. I'm learning in it's PSSM Australia only. I'm learning all the 7 chakras, all of that. I'm still learning. I'm still a kid.
Okay.
They are joining from only one Zoom. You are joining in 2 Zooms. Sometimes you are here, sometimes you are there. You are traveling in between 2 Zooms and then you are appearing everywhere like Lord Krishna. Thank you. Nice song. And explanation too. That is more important than the song for me.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
He went now to Prasad room. Yeah.
Back to the question. Breath is Guru versus physical Guru. Which is correct?
So it depend upon the stages at
Yes.
where you are again, till you won't reach out to your own guru. You need a physical guru, and with me, if I feel you connect with your breath, but as the phases change in your life, you need sometimes your mentor who can bring you back, or the challenges which you feel when you are with your breath, you go deep inside, start discovering about yourself or about anything which is like as a guru showing you lot many things, but when you go with the analysis, again you need a mentor who can help you to understand the things in deeper inside. So it's like with the phases, sometimes you need the person, the mentor who is physically sitting with you and making you understand things better.
Yes. For me, the real realization of value of Guru came not in the early stages, Of course, my mentor cowed me a lot. Patriji taught a lot more things. I used to feel like they are doing their duty. I have my own greatness to attract a person into my life. That is the heights I am used to think. And every time he says, you are your own guru, your breath is guru. I am just facilitator. I am sharing my experience. If I am really guru for you, I am teaching to thousands of people, but why you are so excellent? It is your own effort that making you excellent. Otherwise, to whomsoever I am teaching, everybody should become like me. But they are not becoming like that. At one instant, when I visited the tribal area, Paderu, near to Visakhapatnam, lot of tribal people, they built their own pyramid. The whole village turned into plant-based diet, and all are meditators. We made a short film also on that by the name Pettugodali. You can watch it actually with the subtitles in English. Wonderful movie. So there, the person who is taking lead, one of the leads, when I listen to him, almost like I am into tears and surprise both. He came to know about the flute. So he want to learn the flute and he want to make that music out of it. But he doesn't know where he can get the flute, who will teach, and how it could be. He just saw the picture in the photo of Lord Krishna, and he tried with a bamboo, sometimes with a plastic tube. He made his own holes for that with his own imagination. And in the village he can't do because people will laugh at him. So he used to walk around 5-6 kilometers up the hill in the forest. He ensured that nobody is there around, and there he practiced. And it won't sound in a great way. He tried. And then because of his intent, one day one of our masters visited that area, and he is a flute master. And first time he saw the real flute, how it could be. And through him, he got a new flute, and then lessons, and then teaching, and then finally he succeeded to play beautiful flute music. By the time the whole village into meditation, he started playing flute for them for meditation. See how the journey started. Doesn't even know about the flute, but he want to do it, and then finally he succeeded in his path. This is only one story. It is not stops there. Second thing, he knows how the pants and shirts could be, but he doesn't know how they tie it, because in the villagers there, they just tie the cloth around the waist. They don't have the pant culture. First time he saw the pant, and he bought one pant, and he brought it to home. He opened the entire pant with a knife. He managed to remove each and every stitch and opened the entire pant, which is cut completely in a pant shape. And he kept all the pieces at one place, and he figured out how a square of cloth can be cut into pieces to make a pant. From then onwards, whatever he want to make a shirt. He will buy a shirt, and he will remove bits and pieces, and then he will make the same way, and he will prepare the shirt. After that, he understood how to make the bigger size and smaller size by making changes in the shape of that with the measurements. And that is how he learned how to stitch the clothes. He tried with the tailors. They denied to teach him because of their own competition. In a nearby mandal, which is around half an hour to 40 minutes distance by bike. Otherwise, you have to go by walk. So when I listened to his story, I was like just stuck. The importance of, see, they are just near to the modern world. Only thing is they are living in a forest area, 100 kilometers away from the main city. And they don't know a lot of things, but which is very, very easy thing for us. We feel like just nothing in that. We just throw money, get the things, and then we get along. And all the instruments are available with us. Teachers are available with us. We never know the value of it. So during that period, I realized, yes, a teacher must be there. A knower should be there to give the information so that the time will be condensed. Method becomes very easy. He can become a very good facilitator so that in a short time, in a short distance, you can complete the task and a variety can be known. Otherwise, he will be in his own well. Actually, we want to make a movie. The way how he learned, like the Gods Must Be Crazy English movie. I felt like making a movie on him. How greatly he started and he learned and finally he succeeded. That is where the modern world people will come to know how the learning could be and what are all the things that we are there today in front of us. We don't know the value of it, how it was invented and then how it came to us. In the same way, the stitching machine. There is a movie in Telangana about how the stitching machine, that Maggam, it is called, with the hand they do know, how it is invented. There is a big movie, some Pasupulesam or Pasupuleti, something like that. Some movie is there. If you watch that movie, how greatly he struggled to invent that Maggam, that artificial spinning machine. Through dream or through some kind of ideology, he came to know how to put the needle, and the needle should be reversed. And the hole should be not in the base, it should be in the front end. Then the task can be accomplished. All these things he did a tremendous research and then finally he made it. Today, just like that, we are using the clothes, which is the invention of a single person in a period of 10, 12 years, that spinning, that stitching machine. So I feel like, yes, Bharati is Guru. After knowing everything, if you understand the basic path, then nobody is required. Whatever you want, you sit, close your eyes, do the inward journey, you will get. But the day one, to ignite, to initiate, you need a master. We see so lot of combinations. The Ekalavya, Guru is not at all there. He just put a statue and he started his work. And he achieved, he reached the ultimate perfection. So to ignite, to initiate, is required to bring you to certain distance until there is a saying in the book, if you meet the Buddha on the road, kill him. Clearly he says, in the beginning, the Guru looks like a great personality or a legend or a great God, but later we will come to know he is another struggling human being. He is struggling for his own enlightenment. And we have to struggle for our own enlightenment. Then the concept of Bharati's Guru comes. Initially, that admiration phase should be there. A role model should be there. An idol should be there. To understand the basics. To get out of this rat race. To fulfill our thirst. That's why, even though we say the Bharati is Guru, that Guru and Sishya concept, the teacher and student concept, always exists. By teaching, he is learning. By surrendering, the student will learn. Here, the guru is the wisdom, and student is the intent, the tamanna. Wherever there is intent, there the guru in the form of book or in the form of a wisdom person will automatically come into the picture. And wherever there is an intent student, teacher automatically will go there, like the flower attracting the bee. The student should go from one flower to other flower. Keep changing the gurus. Keep changing the books. You have to read every master's book. You need to read every teacher, not stuck to the one teacher. Then only we can take the real honey in a more quantity. If you stuck at one flower, your stomach will not full. The bee will die. It has to go on to so many flowers. Like there are so many masters. We need to meet each and every master. We need to go to every kind of methodology. Sabko sunna, apna karna. Listen to everyone. Finally, whatever your consciousness is guiding you from inside, intuitively, that you just follow. And you are there. Thank you. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to meet all the inner guru in you. And once again, pranams to Brahmarshi Patriji and my senior mentor Paul Vijay Kumar and all the grandmasters of PSSM and my 3 doctors who carved me like anything to walk in the spiritual tablets path. Lot of techniques, lot of things that I am using, I learned even in allopathic gurus, Dr. Krishnamurthy Garu, Radha Krishna and Dr. Dibal Rao, neurosurgeon, general medicine and pediatrician. With everyone I stayed 1 year. And this 40 days concept I learned from a neurosurgeon, not from Patriji. From him really I learned how to work on a chronic illness with a 40-day treatment. According to the medical perspective, he explained. So scientifically. So thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, Kanchan, for running behind me and pulling me here. And I need to address another session. They are waiting. 5 o'clock it is started. I sent Arunashri to manage with meditation. So, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You took out time. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And for this
Thank you,
wonderful
sir.
sharing, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, masters. Gurpinder ma'am, you were about to say something. You raised your hand and then drop it down. You want to... we can't hear you, ma'am.
या
हाँ जी.
वो गलती से हो गया था इसलिए मैंने फटाफट वो कर दिया था सर के लिए. बट यस, जो सर ने बोला शुरू में, पत्री सर का जो बात बोली कि जब सर को पत्री सर ने बोला कि मेरे साथ तो इतने लोग रहते हैं, इफ यू हैव समथिंग ओनली यू आर यूनिक एंड यू मेक योर ओन वे. सो मुझे उसी समय अवधूत की याद ही आ रही थी कि जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं वो विजडम, तो अवधूत ने यही बोला था कि यस, फॉर अ कॉन्शियस पर्सन he can or she can learn from anything. A bee, a bumblebee, a snake, or a moon, earth, any can teach you. But a ignorant person, अगर उसके सामने साक्षात भगवान भी खड़े हो जाएं, जैसे कि हमने दुर्योधन के आगे देखा था, तो वो नहीं लर्न कर सकता.
Yes.
वो नहीं समझ सकता कि गुरु क्या होता है, किसी की गाइडेंस लेनी क्या होती है. तो फॉर अ कॉन्शियस पर्सन, यस, गुरु भी होता है, लेकिन अगर आपकी कॉन्शियसनेस अवेकन है, इफ यू आर रेडी टू वर्क ऑन योर अवेयरनेस एंड यू आर रेडी टू वर्क ऑन यू, कि यस एक्नॉलेज हो जाए कि कुछ मुझे चेंज करना है ना. if we say कि okay I am all right, then वो दुर्योधन था ही ना, कृष्ण तो उसके पास ही पहले गए थे. So for
Intent
an
matters.
agreement there is no scope. Yeah, we
Yeah.
have to be, दोनों तरफ से है ये. ब्रेथ गुरु है, बट गुरु के बिना तो हम अगर बोले कि ब्रेथ गुरु है तो छोटे होते फिर हमें किंडरगार्टन की पीएचडी तक गुरु, तो अगर आप पीएचडी भी कर लो, उसके आगे भी अगर आपने स्टडी करनी है, यू डिड योर मास्टरेट, डॉक्टरेट, इवन इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी मोर, यू हैव टू बी विद द गाइड और अ टीचर.
तो बेसिकली मैम वही बात ना कि once you come up at one stage and you start learning by your own, and then at what point you stay and you start feeling now what can I do?
We
तो
need
again you
some.
need a mentor in your life. Or even like if you say कि अब इस लाइफ में spiritual path में आप हो, you are seeing your own different shades. Like मैं खुद बताऊं कि जब आप अपरली तह शांत होती है तब आप अपनी ही चीजों को देखते हो तो इट बिकम मोर डिफिकल्ट. अब आप अपनी ब्रेथ की हेल्प से खुद को समझने में इतनी आसानी नहीं, मतलब इट्स नॉट इजी कि
Yeah.
आप अपने वो सारे शेड्स को एक्सेप्ट करके सॉल्व कर सको. देन अगेन यू नीड अ मेंटोर हु कैन मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि इस स्टेज को समझना कैसे है एंड हाउ यू कैन वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. तो with me in every phase, the moment you keep on growing, like the sir mentioned, every time you need different guru. The situation change, the guru change. You take the wisdom, you imbibe it, move forward, then might be a different stage will come, then you need someone else. So it's the journey in out. That's how I felt till so far. कि कभी सर के पास आती हूँ, कभी आपके पास आती हूँ, कभी कहीं जाती हूँ, बट हाँ, at any point of time you need someone like
कई बार
for
ये
the
होता है
guidance.
कि हमें गाइडेंस एज सच प्रॉपर नहीं चाहिए होती. दैट पर्सन और दैट सिचुएशन जस्ट वर्क एज ए कैटलिस्ट.
Actually, yes,
आप
sometimes the
अपने आप
books
ही
as
बाहर
well.
आ जाते
हाँ
हैं.
जी, कभी बुक ही है खुल गई, वो पेज ही खुल जाता है. मतलब मैं आपको कुछ दिन पहले, मतलब इतनी स्ट्रांग मैं बड़ी उलझनों में थी एंड आई जस्ट कोई मैंने एक पुराना सेशन ओपन किया और उसकी एक ही लाइन मेरे लिए इनफ थी टू गिव मी द होल आंसर कि मैं कहाँ फंस गई थी जाकर के. एंड आई केम आउट इमीडिएटली. तो इट्स लाइक विजडम इज एवरीवेयर, guru is there. Once you are ready, the wisdom will come to you and the knowledge like everywhere.
थैंक यू.
So thank you ma'am, thank you for being here. Or you always come in Friday Thursday session. That's a wonderful opportunity for us कि सर भी होते हैं, आप भी होते हो. और thank you
थैंक यू.
masters for being joining here, and maybe next time you can get your questions on and we will get the answers further. Till then, keep working on yourself. And I'll just play the music for 15-20 minutes. We all can meditate and try to
Okay.
understand this Shishya Guru Parampara and how the breath is our Guru. Thank you for just being here. Thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Kanchan ji.